So for better or worse, I'm back in America. Carly's still in Germany. I'm in my hometown of Lindstrom. Temporarily, maybe forever. I don't really know. They got their own little Statue of Liberty. Pretty sick eagle. And then there's a statue of Karl Oskar, who's like the mascot of the Swedish immigrants that populated the area. Actually, the history of Lindstrom is pretty cool. You know, it's got more history than most American towns, for sure. Predominantly Swedish, as you can see. I went to school here. I grew up here. Skateboarding. Just whatever else. Most of that. Anime Vikings. How cute is that? My mom lives above an antique store. There's Black Betty. This is an attraction that people traveled so many miles to see. Look at it. It's a teapot. Greetings from Lindstrom. They got umlauts. It's a huge Swedish flag. The teapot. The horse. This is Lions Park. We stumbled upon a local concert with super talented musicians. Fell in that pond once. Ah, the home street. Memory lane. How does it feel?
Good. Pretty good.
What's the street called again? Newlander Avenue. This is the first place I lived when I came to the new land of the U.S. I bought my first skateboard at a garage sale right there for 50 cents. That's where we lived for the... Yep. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I remember learning switch kickflips right there on that sidewalk back in 98. 98. I really don't know how many times I'm going to come back temporarily, quote unquote, to my house where my dad lives and quote unquote start over. But here it is again. Holy shit, there's my bike. I think I'm gonna go ride. At least I have a bike this time. I really like to take it easy on these back roads. Just keep it a mellow 115 or so when there's no one around. These were some very interested cows. At least they won't judge me. Hell yeah, cows. Is anyone still watching? Does anyone watch these things? Check this shit out. This is amazing, actually, right here. This is some good footage. This was actually an amazing find. The oldest brewery in the world, the one I toured, they sell their beer at the closest liquor store to my house. Amazing. And then here's some trash beer. Probably the worst beer ever made. Disgusting. Cold 45, that's okay. I picked out Summer Shandy. This was also invented in Munich. The guy mixed lemonade and beer together. I had one before I went to 4th of July celebrations. But first, fishing. Got a sunny on the dry fly. In these episodes, I always look like I'm drinking, but I always film whenever I have a drink. So that's why it looks like that. I'm not an alcoholic, I promise. I swear.
It's supposed to be 80 and sunny today. boys. Let's get it.
Fishing in White Claw.
Oh, bread basket.
Yeah. You can? Yeah. Will it stop us?
Oh, that is a nice.
It was an exciting 45 seconds. The boys doubled up on
Dude.
2 smallmouth bass.
Dude, you should probably get a picture with this.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Since we're in the Midwest, we decided to listen to Limp Bizkit. See what I'm talking about?
Lattes.
Anytime I crack a beer, I film it.
See you guys at the next hole.
Earlier on, I snapped off on a huge muskie, everyone believed, and I caught 4 smallmouth bass. Pretty good day. Then I went and partied on Lake Minnetonka, where the richest of the rich in Minnesota live, including Prince. He had a house on Lake Minnetonka. Pretty sure I got too hammered and offended some people. But hey, what are you gonna do? It's the 4th of July, 3rd of July.
Look at this traffic jam. Both baby got those gang. Where you at, dude?
Oh shit, you're on the loudspeaker. Oh!
Here we are tossing the old pigskin around with the old local police force.
Oh!
Hell yeah, America. This is my 4th of July this year. Kind of whack. Just found out my grandpa died. My grandpa was like another parent to me when I was younger. And I haven't seen much of him in the last 25 years because I've been living in America and he's been living in Russia. He survived Nazi-occupied Russia right next to Moscow. One of the kindest souls I've ever met, and coincidentally has my same exact name. I was named after him, so it's all very sad. So he died on the 4th, and my birthday's on the 6th. So we didn't feel like much like celebrating, but we tried to anyways.
Happy birthday!
And we were able to actually attend his funeral via
It should be danger to us, but I don't know.
video.
No, it's Alexanderstown.
Yes. Юра, мы все благодарны.
Когда все это случилось?
Well, I know it's out.
Внимательно смотри. Вокруг. За ним прямо
This is where everyone goes to hide their sorrows.
Some of my dad's friends came over to help mourn my grandpa. You don't even get to enjoy food of this caliber in Europe. Look at that. Oh. Oh my God, I don't even know how they make them so good. White Castle looks and smells disgusting, but somehow it tastes good. I didn't really know how to end this episode because there's sad parts and, I don't know. Subscribe and like if you made it this far. You crazy, man. Shit.